How to backup and restore Viber messages on Android easily and freely. Here are 2 options for your reference. Backup and restore Viber messages via email. 1. Email your Viber chat history to make a backup. Step 1. Enter the Viber app. Launch the Viber application on your Android phone and then log into your account. After entering the account, you should tap the 3-bar icon to display more options. Step 2. Choose email provider. On this page, you need to tap on the option Email Message History and then a list of applications will pop up and you can elect one of them to send the messages. Here you can click Email option and then select Microsoft Exchange or other email applications as you like. Step 3. Email Viber messages. Enter email and password. Click Next. Ensure phone is online for server connection. Tap Done when setup is complete. Re-enter email for backup. Tap arrow icon. Viber messages sent to email. 2. Restore Viber messages from the backups. Step 1. Download the saved messages from email. Sign into email. Find Android phone email. Open letter. Download. Viber messages. Zip attachment. Step 2. Recover Viber chat history on Android. Open the CSV file which is named according to the contact's name. Then you can view your chat history on Viber. These messages are orderly listed according to the sent and received time, and both sender and receiver are shown. Backup or restore Android Viber chat history locally. 1. Backup Viber messages to Google account. Step 1. Find out the backup setting. Step 2. Start to backup the messages. 2. Restore chat history from Google account. Step 1. Enter the Viber settings. Step 2. Restore Viber messages.